I've been going to the One Motorcycle Show since 2014. That was the first one I ever went to, and I met Tor. Being in a bigger venue, I think the show has had a lot of growth and it needed a bigger venue like this, and having a venue that would hold, you know, everything that the show was able to put on this year was really cool. We definitely couldn't have done that at the Pickle Factory before, so just it being more in town and having the race in one venue is, all in all, just a lot of positives.
She said she'd be down to hang out with the parents out of town. She was hoping I'm around for a party at a vacant place. I said I'd come, showed up and felt out of place. So I headed home. That's when she texted my phone and asked me where I was and when. I said I was gone. She broke my spine. And in that pain, I realized every time I'd ever say it wasn't worth anything. What's the time of being alive if you don't know who you are? What's the fun in getting drunk if you can't take it too far? Yeah, my friends just say I've been wasting all my weekends contemplating if it's me or the booze that really gets wasted. I don't even taste it. I'm throwing back shots as if it's wasted. I'm quickly chasing without a mouth.
Hey, Joey Lancaster here for it's the 11th One Motorcycle Show. It's here at the Veterans Memorial Coliseum in Portland, which is pretty cool. The whole show, like, you think the Coliseum, how could there be a motorcycle show here? But we're underneath in a massive room right now, and you know, over 250 motorcycles from builders all over the world have brought it here, and we've had racers from all over the country here tonight racing.
Where can I go? Girl, it's a simple matter. Put your painted finger on my tongue so I can taste the lacquer. Relive the story.
And the race wasn't part of the show until 2016. Previously it was at Salem, and then this year was the first time at the Veterans Memorial Coliseum in the same event and venue as the motorcycle show. And like I said, it was epic. It was cool to be able to, you know, do my racing, but then again, you know, go check out the other stuff, and it was just a lot more sociable for, I feel like, the fans and the spectators and the riders all together, you know.
I think it's pretty cool that they put this event all in one. Never actually been to the Moto 1 show, just to the races, so I think that was really cool that they brought it together.
Here at the One Moto Show with Icon Motorsports, racing my ZX-10 for the halftime show. Playing some dirt, get wild, and fun.
Start your engines. So here we go, the Zero Motorcycles Electric Championship happening right now at the One Motorcycle Show.
don't think there's any way to go back. I mean, having it all at the same venue at the Veterans Memorial Coliseum was epic. Like I said, I don't think, now that we've done it, I can't see the show and race ever being separate again. I think that, you know, I'm surprised it took that long for it to happen, but now that it happened and we got it done, I think next year's gonna be even better. They can get the same venue, but yeah, it was epic. It should always be a race and a show in one venue like that because that was just amazing.